On last video, we did talk about how you can use font in your project in gamemaker. In this video, I'm gonna talk about how you can have shadow behind your text or outline around your text. So without any further ado, let's begin. Hi, I'm Navid Ansari, and in this video we're going to talk about how you can have outline and shadow behind your text. So you know that from last project we did create a project that has a room. We put this sprite on the background so we can draw text on it, so you can see it clearly how it looks like. And we did create an object and put it on our room in here. And in that object, we set a font that we create in here. It's just Arial. And after that, we say draw text and we show it. And we did use that font to show this string in our room. Like most of my videos, I always create some script or object. So for you to use on your project, to do whatever you want to do fast and simple. So in this video as well, I did create a script for adding shadow or outline to your text. So for that, just go to marketplace, open the marketplace in here, and after that search for text shadow and outline, or you can search for Navidar City, and in there you can add this script to your account. After you add that to your account, you can go to marketplace, to library, and in this library, if you don't see the script, just click on refresh in here. In my case, it's on page 2, and in here just download it, and after that import it to your project. It's just a simple script. Add it, and after that import it, and now you can close it. So using this script is so easy. Just open it and you can see codes that I write in here, and it's easy. It gets the font that you want to use, horizontal align that you want to have, vertical align that you want to have, and we set it in here. We set the font in here. And after that, X and Y and the text that you want to show, the color of text that you want to show, and after that, how far shadow you want to go, and the direction that your shadow should go. So in here you see all the direction, and you can put which one you want in there. I will show you in a second how you can do that. For drawing a shadow, we can just say draw text transform with color, and in here, if you want the shadow to be at the left, we say X minus how far shadow you want to go, and Y and the text that you want. And the important thing in here is the alpha. So this is all you need to do. If you just copy and paste this to your object, when you write this text test here, let's just do it. And the shadow, I want it 2 pixels away from our test, or let's just add it because I want it to be at the right bottom. So we add 2 to X and Y, and the text that I want to show is test, and you can see X scale and Y scale 1, angle 0, and the color, because it is shadow, so it should be black, and the alpha is 0.2 because it's shadow. For the X, I want to say 50, and for the Y, I want to say 50 as well, because we draw text as in 50 and 50 for X or Y. So the shadow should be 50 and 50 plus 2 because we want to put it in the bottom right corner. So now that everything is set up, just hit play and you see the shadow is so small. So let's just put it in 5 and add 5 to X and add 5 to Y, so it will drag it in the corner to left, right bottom corner. So again, let's just run it and you can see the shadow is here and it is beautiful. But what about the script that I write? The script make everything easy for you, so you can just get rid of all of this and you can just say scr write text shadow. First your font, my font, the name of the font. Next, for horizontal align I want to say FA left, and for vertical align I want to say FA center. For X I want to put 50, for Y 50 as well. The text I want it to be text. So after that we need color. I want to choose white. How far? I want 5. And for direction you just say directions in here with dot, and I want it to be on bottom right corner, and that's all you need to do to have shadow. So let's just run it to see, and now you can see we have shadow with one line of code. Next, let's just get rid of this and say scr write text with outline. So for font you can see at the bottom, first input is font. For font I want to use my font, and for vertical align I want to choose center, and for horizontal align I want to choose left, and for X I want to put 50, for Y 50, for text I want to say test, and for text color I want to choose white. For outline color I want to choose black, but you can choose whatever you want. Black. And for outline size I want to choose 4. So with this line of code, let's see what we get. And now you can see we have a text that has outline. That's how easy you can have shadow or outline around your text. That's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for supporting me, and please, if you like this video, hit that like button and subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye.